Hello, how you doing? We're finishing module 4, getting ready to go to module 5. So we are completing dotRace3. Okay, and it is just a continuation of dotRace2. Okay, this is what my dotRace2 looks like in real time. I'm going to hit my space bar, clears all the scores at the top. You notice my count is 3 when I hit the green flag, and that's going to reset to 0, so I can keep track of my count. Okay, the racers take off, go around. I have first, second, third, and then they go to their spots, and then it flashes first place right here. If I was to click the green flag again and race them, you notice how I have 6 right here because it got 3, 2, 1 for first. First, second, third, and they all go to their spots. You notice this adds up to 12. This is always going to be a number of 6. It's going to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on. It's always going to be something with a divisor of 6. Okay. This is what my first place things look like. I start off for my first, second, and my third place because I want them showing all the time. I have a green flag and I have a hide on them. And then when they receive the finish sign, and on each one of the numbers, when they finish first place, I'll show you my black one. When it finishes first place, it broadcasts finish. And when it broadcasts finish, this receives it, and it's going to repeat 10 times. It's going to show, which is everything's going to pop up. And for this one, it's going to switch to the next costume, wait 0.5 seconds, and keep doing it 10 times. And then at the end, I wanted to stay on the costume 1, which is first place. And then if I hit the space bar again, it resets everything. Notice I have a finish line, which is this right here, and my track, my starting line right there. Okay, now we're going to build our little algorithm of what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. And as you know, do this, we're going to change the number system. So first place is going to get 4, second place is going to get 3, third place is going to get 2, and fourth place will get 1 point. You get a 20 points for putting that in there. Adding in a manual racer. So you have to add another racer, you get 20 points for that. On that manual racer, you have to make them go up, down, right, and left. You get 20 points for that. And you have to announce first, second, third, fourth place. Right here, we got first, second, and third place. I'm going to put my fourth place down here somewhere. During the assignment using proper format, username, period, dotRace3, and complete dotRace2. And so you get free 10 points for that. Okay, my algorithm is going to start off. First thing I'm going to do is make a variable, make variable for user, and make this here black so you can see it. Make variable for user. That's the first thing we're doing. 1 space. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do, after I make my variable for my user, I'm going to make user. And I'm going to call my user blue. And the variable for my user will be blue score. Okay, so I got my variable for my user controls for my user. Okay, my controls for my user. Then on all 4 of the racers, all 3 of my old racers, and my new racers, I need to add another place. So add place. Okay, add place on my racers. I need to be able to reset my new user. So add set to new, add reset to my new racer. Let's look up here. Up, down, I'm announce, okay. Add position. New, to new racer. And I'm just gonna put it at the bottom. So I got the first, second, third place. I got my up and down, my controls. I'm announcing the winner. That should be it. I may add some and take away from this as I need it. When you're making your algorithm initially, it's not set in stone, but it's something that guides you as you go. Okay, we'll be referring back to this as we go along. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is make a variable for our user, call it blue score. So we'll go to variables and make new variable, call it blue score. Notice when I make the variable, I make the first part of it lowercase and the second part uppercase, the last one. Okay. Oh, while I'm doing that, see I had first place? I'm gonna go back and fix that and make it first place. This is from last time. It is now first place, not first place anymore. Okay, I made my variable. So the next thing I was gonna do is make my blue user. Okay, so I'm making a new racer and he is going to be blue, it's gonna be a circle. And come right here, make my blue racer, give him some yellow eyes. And bring him down here and shrink him down a little bit. Try to get him the same size as my other racers. Okay, let's put him on the starting line real quick. Hit the green flag, stop. And I'll put him, matter of fact, I'll put him right here in the back of the pack. Since I got all those there, make him a little bit smaller. Okay, so I got the blue score, made my variable. Now the controls for my blue user. Okay, click on my blue user. Start off with my controls. I'll go get a green flag, forever loop, and I'm gonna need up, down, right, left. So I'm gonna grab some ifs right here. If, I'm gonna go, that's gonna be my up. Let's put them down out here first. Up, down, right, left. Then I'll come up sensing and I'll grab if key press space pressed, and I'm gonna go up, down, right, left. Right, left. So I got up, down, right, left. And up and down will be on the y-axis. Right, left will be on the x-axis. So I'll go to motion, and I'll grab change y by. Since that's up, I'm just going to make it 5. 10 is going to be too much. I'm trying to keep it the same speed. And down, I'm going to make -5. And my x, which is left and right, or right and left, right being positive, I'm going to make 5. And left, I'm going to make -5. So I got this. I'm going to put it inside the forever loop, and I'm going to check it out, see if it works. Up, down, left, right. It works. Only problem is I can cheat, and I don't want to be able to cheat. So we need to fix that part right there. And to fix that part, we're going to pull this out again, and we're going to grab 4 more if statements. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since we don't want to touch the infill and it's green, we're going to use that color scheme to sense that color scheme there. So we're going to come here. If touching that green, get on all those. And what we're going to make this do, we're going to put it underneath each one of the directional arrows or directions, and we're going to make it the opposite. So this is change y by 5. We're going to pull this out, duplicate. We're going to duplicate all of these here. It's 5. And we're going to pull this one out, duplicate, -5. And change x by, duplicate, 5, and change that, got -5. So we got all 4 of those right there. And this one is 5 here, -5, we're going to make it 5. So -5, 5, and this one here is 5, we're going to put it underneath there, -5. So if up arrow is pressed, change y by 5. If touching the color, go by -5. Same thing down here. Put the positive underneath the negative one, and the negative underneath the positive one. And connect these, put them inside the forever loop, and see what we got. Hit the green flag. Try to move it, doesn't let me go in, 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 and I finish. But you notice when I finish, I don't get no first, it doesn't give me a place. So looking at our algorithm, got the user, got the controls for the user, add place to all users. Okay, let's go back to, let's go to the black one first. And we're going to pull out this part right here. See, we got first, else, if, count equals 2, second, else, third. We're going to pull out the third right there, and we're going to grab another if-else statement. And we're going to place it here. And now we're going to grab another equal sign, equal operator, and we're going to make this 3. And we're going to grab another count. Just take this and duplicate it. Put it there, there. So now I'll take this third place